Hey there, welcome to my channel. So quick question, how many times have you searched for a reliable free VPN and just felt overwhelmed by all the options out there? Yeah, I've been there too. Well, today I'm cutting through all that noise to bring you the best free VPNs you can use. Whether you're protecting your privacy, unlocking restricted content, or just want to browse safely, I've got the perfect options lined up for you. And before we dive in, I've got a little gift for you. My VPN Mastery Bundle. It's completely free and packed with tips that will make you a VPN pro in no time. Click the link in the description to grab it. Oh, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. All right, ready? Let's jump right in. We are kicking things off with Proton VPN. This one is a powerhouse, guys, in the world of free VPNs. First off, get this. No data limits. Yeah, you heard me right. Unlimited browsing, no caps. Plus, it's based in Switzerland, which has super strict privacy laws. So, if you're worried about your data being logged or shared, Proton VPN's got your back. Now, the catch. The free plan has lower speeds and limited server locations, but for unlimited data, it's still a major win. Next up, we have Windscribe. Yes. And this one is awesome for my streaming and torrenting friends out there. You get 10 gigabytes of free data every month, which is pretty generous. And the cherry on top, a built-in ad blocker, guys, that will make your browsing faster and less annoying. Now, the free plan gives you access to 10 server locations. Not bad, right? It might not be the biggest on the list, but for casual use, it totally gets the job done. All right. Now let's talk about Hide.me. If you like things simple and easy, this one's for you. It offers 2 gigabytes of data per month, which, okay, isn't a ton, but perfect for light browsing. And the best part, no ads. It also has a zero log policy. You can browse knowing that your data isn't being tracked or sold. That's a big deal when you're serious about privacy. Now, if you want a VPN that is as cute as it is functional, check out TunnelBear. Seriously, it's adorable and super user-friendly. But here's the deal. You only get 2 gigabytes of data per month, so if you're a heavy user, you will burn through that fast. Still, for hopping on a VPN every now and then, TunnelBear is a fun and reliable option. Last but definitely not the least, there is Hotspot Shield. If you're on mobile, this one is especially great because you get 500 megabytes of free data per day. That might not sound like much, but it adds up. Plus, Hotspot Shield is known for its fast speeds, which is perfect if you just need it for quick browsing session. Just a heads up though, the free version does come with ads, so keep that in mind. Now, here is the thing. While these free VPNs are fantastic for light use, so some of you might need something a little more heavy duty, especially if you're streaming a lot, gaming, or need extra layers of security. If that sounds like you, no worries. I've included some links in the description to free tools like VPN comparison tools and a privacy risk calculator. They are super helpful if you want to compare different paid VPNs and find one that fits your needs perfectly. Just check them out whenever you're ready. All right, guys. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these free VPNs before? Or maybe there's one you swear by that I didn't mention. Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what's been working for you. And don't forget to download the VPN Mastery Bundle. Again, it's totally free and it's full of helpful strategies to keep you safe online. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you'll never miss any of my latest cybersecurity tips and reviews. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I see you in the next video. Bye.
Online safe, night and day, protection in every way. Guard your world from a cyber threat with a shield you won't forget. Navigate through a cyber sea. Trust in us, you'll be worry-free. Firewalls and passwords strong. Here with us you belong. Digital defense, don't you stress. We got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need. In cybersecurity, we lead. Encrypted paths and layered walls, there for you whenever danger calls. Securing every single byte, keeping you safe day and night. Bytes and codes we understand. Your digital world is in good hands. From phishing scams to malware's lair, we'll be the ones to keep you there. Digital defense, don't you stress. We got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need. In cybersecurity, we lead. Bytes and codes we understand. Your digital world is in good hands. From phishing scams to malware's lair, we'll be the ones to keep you there. Digital defense, don't you stress. We got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need. In cybersecurity, we